Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everybody is doing well. So I'm going to attempt to cut Linda's hair. I mean, it's really short, so I'm just gonna basically just trim it and make it shorter and neater, I guess. So wish me luck. This is the second time I'm doing this.
Not wish me luck, yay, don't.
This is the second time I'm doing this. I don't know, I'm not a barber, so it is what it is.
You're not a barber.
Yeah, I'm not.
A barber.
Not a barber.
I'm just gonna put the mirror here so I can
Yeah.
do the right things, please.
Listen, I can't promise. Why is your hair so dry?
Because it's dry.
Yeah. Is this thing even cutting?
What is it? Oh!
You hear that? Your hair's dry.
Wait.
This thing is not cutting.
Take the smallest step. Why you gotta expose me like that? Just be careful on the sides. You know the sides are more sensitive than the top of the head. Barber city. This is the part where the camera must be zoomed in so that you can see your disastrous moments. Guys, look at this.
Relax. Oh my god.
It's so deep. You're just making it sound like it's an okay situation. It's not an okay situation.
It's an okay situation. Put this back thing. Just put it back here.
Ow.
This is not working for me.
Well, now we need to finish cutting because you gave me a bald spot.
In 21 days, that bald spot won't exist.
I
promise it won't.
Not in 21 days. I know it exists.
How? Chop better.
Yes. You know that bald spot is bad. You know it is. I don't know why you acting like it's not. Thank you.
See, I did such a good job. Look at that. It looks so good. It looks really good. Turn around like this. See, I did that. Neat.
She's a good barber.
Yes, I am.
I hope my hair doesn't grow.
Now I'll cut it again. It looks so nice. Looks really nice. God damn. I didn't think I could do it. Okay.
Yeah, no. Okay. I trusted you, but you know that little.
Okay, do my outro.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because you know my head shape is beautiful. You know I'm looking fly as hell. Yep, period. But guys, I will see you guys in the next videos to come because you know this won't be the last time I'm here. Hope you enjoy your day. Hope you enjoy quarantine, lockdown, whatever's going on with you currently. And stay safe, guys. You know, don't be sick. Drink your vitamin C's, D's, S, N, Z, Y, X. Bye guys.